Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix can't access server failure error in WeChat. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process, guys. It's kind of anonymous or unknown error. So here's a general process that we follow to fix that error. Just find settings in your device and go there. Find app section, guys. Go there and search for WeChat in here and click on it. Now inside this WeChat there is storage. Alright, select it. If you have not cleared your cache yet, you will have an option to clear cache, which is at the bottom right corner. Just click on it and confirm the deletion of the cache or clearing of the cache. And also what you can do is just click on this 4-stop button at the WeChat app info page, and you will be able to fix the can't access server failure error, guys. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding can't access server failure, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.